I always say that if you don't see, you cannot treat a patient. The Azurion brings a complete rethinking of the system.
So Philips Azurion is the new generation of imaging-guided therapy platform that we use. And it was amazing when I discovered it.
Le parallel working, c'est une grande nouveauté qui nous a beaucoup plu pour les manipulateurs.
Les barres d'outils sont complètes. Il y a des aides avec des petites i comme information.
Now we have 2015. 20 is the same that we had before, but the 15 is big improvement for us. The head was not fitting inside the 10, and the 20 is definitively too large. When you want to have spatial angulation, you have problem to reach the centering with the shoulder of the patient. So Philips has developed this 15, which is more or less unique on the market, and the 15 is perfectly designed for the head to fit inside. The tablet, a so-called TSM, that we are using to control the system. What I love is the possibility to digitally zoom and manipulate the picture.
Zooming is a great thing, and it's so easy right now. It's just with a two-finger touch. It's very important for us today to have the highest level of image quality.
If you look at those clarity pictures, they are of a tremendous quality. Obviously, there is a huge decrease in the dose with the clarity system, conversely to the previous system that we had. It's obvious, no question about that. But we decrease the dose without paying the price of the decrease of the quality. And improvement of the clarity system is a roadmap. You cannot believe when you are injecting liquid embolic within the brain AVM, you don't see the movement of the liquid embolic that has been injected. So you clearly see the new material which is injected. You clearly see where it goes if you have a reflux. And when you want to refresh the picture, you just have to push on a button, single button, without releasing the pedal, the X-ray pedal. Immediately, you clean the picture and you clearly see what's arriving. The Flex Vision, which is a big screen we are looking at, you can connect whatever is an external source, and you can control, manipulate this external computer within the screen.
So the Comfort Team, it's also an amazing tool. While it is very normal to be anxious before an invasive procedure, it's a very wonderful distraction for the patient, so I don't have to manage this part of the pre-treatment preparation, okay? Because treating patient is also make them very comfortable even before sleeping or going under general anesthesia. We want them to be confident, to help us to perform the procedure as well as we can do.
All these features allow us to not only save time, which is obvious, but also to be very confident in the way you work, because you don't have to go back and forth in the control room to check some features that you would like to control.
Le parallel working, c'est une grande nouveauté qui nous a beaucoup plu pour les manipulateurs. On peut post-traiter les images en même temps que l'opérateur poursuit sa procédure, sans gêne du tout de l'un vis-à-vis de l'autre. Le parallel working nous a permis d'obtenir un gain de temps considérable pour le manipulateur.
And you have tools that helps you to save time. For example, you can save the position of the C-arm as well with the position of the height of the table. So it's very useful. It's very important if you are working in the brain and you have a problem with the femoral access or a kinking in the aortic arch. You can move the table, it takes 1 second, and automatically the table will come back exactly in the same position. So you even don't have to do again the road map.
We always want to do more with less radiation, less time. The zero dose position is very intuitive because you just have to visualize your targets and move the table, and the machine just adapts on what you're gonna expect to have.
One way to decrease the dose is to use the shutters. Nowadays, you can do it in a very easy way through the TSM, just with your fingers.
C'est facile parce qu'on a accès à tout. Les barres d'outils sont complètes. Il y a des aides avec des petites i comme information qui nous aident à sélectionner chaque partie, comment enclencher une 3D, comment enclencher un Vasocity.
Vasocity is a very good acquisition that allow to analyze the arterial wall and the lumen.
So you have the Vasocity, which we do perform systematically during a procedure to assess the perfect apposition of a flow diverter or an intrasaccular device. You see the struts made of nitinol. It's incredible the resolution that you can have on the screen. You have a 2 or 3 millimeter diameter stent that is filling the whole picture, and you don't lose any resolution in that.
Alors sur le FlexSpot, on a la possibilité d'avoir toutes les sources disponibles. On peut visualiser l'écran d'acquisition, de review, et puis inversement. On a le PAX, on a différents serveurs, et puis la possibilité aussi de faire du travail de reconstruction, notamment des reconstructions vasculaires pour des mesures de sténose par exemple. Et là, en 2-3 mouvements, on peut avoir une mesure de sténose très précise sur une image 2D acquise.
Du fait des procédures CARD, quel docteur, quelle pathologie, si c'est une artériographie, si c'est un stroke, mais une fois que cela est fait, tout est simplifié, tout est accéléré. On a juste à inscrire le malade sur notre shortlist et ça se fait tout seul, juste en quelques clics.
Ça a permis effectivement de standardiser les procédures, et puis chaque opérateur et chaque technicien utilise la même carte procédure, ce qui fait que même un nouveau manipulateur va être tout de suite familiarisé et rassuré en utilisant ce système, ainsi que l'opérateur, sans avoir à réfléchir. On sélectionne la procédure, le procédure CARD, et on l'applique ensuite.
The way I recognize that it has changed my life is when I'm going in other cath lab, using other machines, then I realize what were the improvements that we had by the last evolution of the Azurion system, which is really a big achievement. This is the best system manufactured ever by Philips.
It is very intuitive to use all the tools of the system, really. In only a couple of procedures, I was able to perform everything alone.
No doubt that having a system which is smooth to use, easy to use, not only for you, but with the team we are working with, help to make the atmosphere very relaxed, which is, in my opinion, really good, very important factors for everybody, not only for us, but for the patient too.